Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. And today's tutorial gonna be special because in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your first video on Capcut. Okay, so as you know that, so as a beginner, if you are a content creator and if you have some files like video files like your blog video or your um, screen capture, that's mean your tutorials video, so how you can edit your first video in Capcut, and it's very simply. Okay, so first of all, install your Capcut Windows version or Mac version. Okay, and then import your video. So click on the video, click on open. Very simple. So I will not show you the fancy editing hours and hours. Okay, it will not take hours, absolutely not. It will take some few minutes because I just want to show you very simply way how we can edit your video. So I can see drag and drop your first video over here. Okay, so it's around 1 hour video and 2.57 gigabyte, I think so. So you can see this is the section of zoom in and zoom out. So right hand section, click on here, zoom out, you can see, and zoom in. Or okay, so this is the first section. You have to do this, and first of all I will show you the split section, how you can split. That's mean how you can remove the some video options. Okay, it's really important because when you record your video, it could be your tutorials video or your any blogging video or cooking video or daily life video. So maybe some point or some options you don't want to show your audience first. Okay, so that's mean you want to delete the video first. Okay guys, so I have another monitor over here, so I'm just looking something. Okay, so you can see, so just drag and drop. So this is one of my tutorial video, and here you can see in this section I didn't do anything. I just admit the all of my students in here. You can see. Okay, so this is the section I don't want to use in my main video. So click on this, and here you can see this is the split section. Click on split, again click and press your keyboard delete section, deleted. So our video is right now 50 minutes 41 seconds. Drag and drop your first section. This is our first sections, and you can also drag and drop the section where I just want to show. Okay, so also you want to remove this section, click on split, press delete. Right now 48 seconds video. Okay, also you can zoom out and you can drag and drop. So that's been where you want to start. So this is the end section, this is the class end. You can also zoom in. So when you click on zoom in, you will see all the soundtrack were different. Okay, so this is, I think so. Okay, so this is the perfect one, I think. So let's split this and press delete. Alright, so our video is ready. It's pretty simple. So you can play all the video and you can watch and listen, and if you want this options or this part isn't enough good to show your audience, so you can just delete this section. Okay, here you can see this section. You can see this section, there is no voice. I think I faced some technical errors. So click on here and then click on again here and then delete. So this is how you can remove some options over here. Perfectly done. So this is a section where we discussed about YouTube career as a YouTuber. Okay, how we can start a YouTube career. It's pretty simple. So our video is ready. So as a tutorial video, you don't have to do anything enough doing some editing stuffs. Okay, you don't need to add some stuffs. It's pretty simple. So it's also as like a YouTube blogger. Okay, so when you shoot any blog video, you don't have to enough fancy editing. Okay, it's completely false theory. That's where you can edit some extraordinary skills to show up your audience. Okay, always try to show your real footage. That's gonna make you more connection with your audience. So finally done within a few minutes, and I think it's time to export the video. How we can export the video? It's pretty simple. Just click on here, export video, and you will see the edit cover also here, and also the video resolution is 180 pixels, perfect, bitrate recommended, okay, coded and format, everything is good. Also you can export this into your Capcut section. Also you can export into your local drive, and then you can give a title over here, YouTube masterclass. Okay, so it's a YouTube masterclass, and then click on export. Here you can see it's 48 minutes 19 seconds and size about 4.33 GB. Okay, so there are lots of options over here. You can do some remove busy, mark what task. Also you can add some audio, like you can add volume and decrease volume, fade in, fade out. You can also normalize loudness, but as you can see it's not free, it's a pro version. That's the problem. Okay, enhance video, you can reduce the noise. It's also your premium version. You need premium version to download this. Also you can change the voiceover. Also you can add some speed, animation, adjust. So slowly and surely I will show you one by one. So in this video I just showed you how we can that zoom in, zoom out and split. That's pretty simple. That's the basic, very basic. So you can just practice, you can just familiar with this software, and slowly and surely you can add one by one. You're gonna learn. Okay, and also we're gonna learn together. So if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to get this kind of information. Okay, so see you in the next video. Have a good day.